Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt.
Run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do, it's the end, do-do-do-do-do, it's the end, do-do-do-do-do, it's the end. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt.
Run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last. It's the end, do-do-do-do-do, it's the end, do-do-do-do-do, it's the end, do-do-do-do-do, it's the end. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt.
Run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away, do-do-do-do-do, run away. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do.
I'm sorry, but I have to sing it with him. Get fucked! You want to listen to science? Well, it's Baby Shark. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark. Mommy Shark, do 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 do. Mommy Shark, do 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 do. Mommy Shark, do 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 do. Mommy Shark. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. And I think that's it. I think that's it. That's it. I think that nothing else can top that. Hello and for some happy Halloween. How are you? I'm Guregan. I'm a parasite Vtuber. And I am not the girl, I'm a parasite inside of her brain, here at last to give you some education about the condition of sharkness. Let me give you some advice. Do not try to make a shark more efficient. Oh, I loved it. I hope that your brain is mush, because a mushy brain is the exact soup that we need for education. Well, let's try. Let's try to bring an education. Let me see. Is it the good one? Yes, it's the good one. Where is it? Hello, why smile? Hello. I hope that you are well, and I hope that you enjoyed me blasting baby shark for about 6 minutes. 6 whole minutes of baby shark. But that's alright, because we are going to talk about sharks today. We're going to talk about manta rays today. We're going to talk about chimeras today, and sometimes about VTubers, because I'm going to elucidate some big answers about the anatomy of some VTubers. First of all, some disclaimers, because this episode will be a bit more, since we're going to touch animals that people really like. I'm going to do some disclaimers. And hello Sagittarius, how are you today? Nice. I like the So why is chat broken? Is the chat box broken? Or maybe it's is it just me who is that delayed? I wouldn't know. Oh well, I'm simply going to do the class however we can. However we can. We're going to talk about at least 2/3 of the deep cut today. Oh well. Sharks! A disclaimer, I do not claim to be in any capacity a marine biologist or an ethologist. Like I will talk about the behaviors of some animals, and I'm in no way a qualified expert. I am not a marine biologist, so I'm not qualified to talk about fish. I can, and I will make mistakes. But that is for certain. If I did not cite your favorite species, please feel free to forward your research, so I may improve myself. And I'm saying that as like a sincere approach. Like if you see any mistake that I can correct, please do. I'm not Jotaro by any means, and I think that Jotaro hates shark, and he prefers dolphins. He is a man of dolphins, which is entirely respectable in its own way. In its own way, it is very respectable. Some images may be shocking to some viewers. If you are not comfortable with anatomical details, guts, and crudeness, I do not want you here. This class is not for you. Do not complain. I will gladly take any and all commentary and criticism about the exactitude of what I say. But if it's about the content, well, the only thing that you can take away from the only thing that you can take is the door. Thank you. Also, happy Halloween, everyone. Depending on your country, it's tomorrow. So last time we talked about lampreys. So now we're going to talk about the countries by proceeding from this point, if you forfeit your right to complain. That is exactly true. That is exactly true. This is why we have a disclaimer. You have the right to complain about the exactitude of what I say. You have the right to complain about the content of what I say. Maybe I did not like you. Maybe I did not cite your favorite species, which has a very interesting behavior. Maybe I did not cite like an organ that you know that I did not pay attention to during my research, like my very short research on the subject. Let's be completely honest about that. I am in no way a shark expert, and I did like some very base research about the thing. I just try to bring like, you know, some to make it into some content, you know, to make it into content, so into educational content. But yeah. Here we are in the Natostomes, so we have evolved a jaw. We have evolved jaws. Now we have jaws, and even better than that, we have a skeleton. We have a skeleton that is forming. And at this point here, with the Chondristius, we are in the cartilaginous fish. Interesting fact: the lamprey had the notochord as a structure. The notochord is still used in some species here, but generally, after embryogenesis, the notochord will be replaced by a cartilaginous spine that will encase the neural tube. Undertale. But yeah, we are going to talk about sharks, we're going to talk about rays, we're going to talk about chimerae, or I'm simply going to call them in French chimère. It's just so much more easier to pronounce. Or chimeras. But what we're going to do is we are going to have a talk about something that, you know, like, now you see this fish and you see their position there, and I repeat that each and every episode, but I want to literally hammer it. I want to literally hammer it home. Those are not less evolved in any capacity compared to any other species that is present here or here. This is not a stepping stone in evolution. Those are our cousins. They have taken away that use what we would call ancestral characteristics. But they have also evolved independently more characteristics. It's just that from this point on, it's like they said, you know what, I'm going to do my road alone. That's all that they say. Technically, we are just, everyone is at the same level here. Same level of evolution. And since we're all alive to be able to be eaten or to eat each other, we are all very successful in that regard. Now that the two disclaimers are over, cartilaginous fish have been around since absolutely forever. They've been around for at least 419 million years ago. Think about it. I think that I have a geological thing. I mean, not bony fish. I would have most likely, let's say, like ray-finned fish, but we got three main families within the cartilaginous fish family, and we are entering Vtuber territory. Because with sharks, well, we have Sharklet Vtuber, we have Megalodon, we have Artemis of the Blue, and of course we have little number one. We have Gargura, number one in the EN state. So much so that she does like she makes the big number. She makes the A. She did the work with the legendary A. That's how it works. That's how it works. That's how she made it work. She was one of the pioneers. One of the pioneers for the EN space have been Gargura. Very successful VTuber family. The sharks, very successful. Problem is that, like the great white shark, everyone is compared to Gargura. Every single other shark will be compared to the great white shark, or rather the Megalodon. Except that Megalodon here is compared. We have rays, skates, and sawfish. Which I'm sorry, I don't know your names. Like by heart, I don't exactly know your names. I'm very sorry, but it proves just how saturated the fish VTuber market is. Because next one is going to be Salmon Lordet for the ray fin fish. I knew Salmon Lordet at the very beginning of her, before her debut. Oh yeah. Also, we have chimeras, rat. I don't have any VTuber chimera, but we have ratfish and ghost sharks. So we have a rat. We have a fish. So, I'm not going to talk a lot about them because there's about like 50 species of chimeras. They are very interesting. Don't get me wrong. They are very interesting, but I don't have a lot of details about them. I mean, especially since there's so much more to research about. Like, there's so much more material about both sharks and manta ray, and no, just manta ray or rays. It's like Mako Samishima and Shark Sprite from Prison Project. Oh yeah. Did I miss Mako? Did I fucking miss? Did I miss Mako? Mako Samishima. Because I mean, this name was. Yes, I missed Mako. I fucking missed Mako. Okay, you know what? Here we go. Oh. Oh no, that was because of that. Fuck. Like I hate what it does. I hate what it automatically does. It doesn't agree. It doesn't agree. But yeah, you have very successful VTubers here. Very successful species too. As sharks, very successful. And you see that the order is very diversified and very old. Like we can cleanly separate them since like the fateful 490 and 19 rather. But Elasmobranchi has apparently been. We have apparently seen fossils of Elasmobranchi since then. Depends. And this is the reference of the book from which this diagram has been taken and then thoroughly pasted absolutely everywhere, including Wikipedia. And we are going to talk about the basic anatomy of not just sharks but cartilaginous fish. I do not have the same for chimeras. Oh yeah, the short Blahai is very strong. But I think that we have a good Blahai representation with Sharklet, since she has nibbles. So, anatomical particularities of sharks. They have a snout, but you can boop the snout. Very important. They have a mouth. The labial furrow are very important because their presence. Why? Due to another anatomical particularity that we're going to talk about soon. Is that having a jaw does not imply that you have a skull. And having a skull does not imply that your jaw is connected to the skull. Having a skull connected to the jaw, or rather the jaw that fused to the skull, is in itself an evolutionary characteristic. What does it bring? I don't exactly know. Like, I do not exactly know. Because if you were to say maybe it's to have a better bite force, well, the great white shark got you beat, and the megalodon before that. But you do think that crocodilians do have maybe like an equivalent force. So maybe it just appeared, you know? I do not know. Like, it's seriously, we are in the territory where I am out of my depth. Explaining that kind of things, out of my depth. However, we can see that sharks do have a first dorsal spine, first dorsal fin, and another one very important. You will see why it's pretty important to know that. They have a precaudal pit and they have a caudal fin. And then they have an anal fin, pelvic fins, and pectoral fins. They have a lot of fins. They are very finny and very finicky when it comes to their anatomy, because you can either draw a shark good or you can either completely waste yourself when you try to draw a shark. It is such a simple and aerodynamical shape, or rather hydrodynamical, that you can immediately recognize a shark by its profile. And of course, they have gills. They have gills. The pelvic fins are pretty important, very, very cool, because they have invented a certain amount of organs. They have invented a certain organ there. You will see what. You will see what. That is going to be very interesting. Now, about rays. You find something that is very interesting, is that they have a cartilaginous skeleton. I did not talk about do I talk about the cartilaginous skeleton? Yeah, here. Well, the rays, they have pectoral fins, they also have pelvic fins, dorsal fins, but they also have a tail. Rays are important because they have tails. You can recognize them because they have an independent tail without a caudal fin. Like, they don't have a caudal fin. That's about it. You can also recognize them by the jaws, and you will see why. You will see why when I'm going to talk about the jaws. Now, isn't it like a bit too, like, maybe that was a bit too much. I don't know. Maybe that was a bit too much. I do not know. Now, skeleton. The skeleton is cartilaginous. Of course, it's made of cartilage. So we have a structure that is flexible but drawable. That is pretty light. Like, while it is pretty drawable, like, it allows you to have a structure. Like, you can mount a structure on it. It weighs about twice. It is twice as light as bones. So you can see the advantage about having a structure made out of cartilage rather than having a structure made out of bones when you do breathe by ram ventilation, meaning that you have to move. You have to move yourself in liquid, which is liquid water is very dense, very heavy, so you have to administer a good amount of effort in order to have some momentum inside of the water. Being light is an advantage. However, as you can see, that's the whole shark skeleton. You see the whole shark skeleton. While the rays are kinda, they're kinda protected. You have the whole ray kinda supported there, except maybe there, because you have the gill bars that were adapted here. You have the gill arcs rather here. You have the jaws. You have the skull, independent from each other. You have the spine. You have, of course, protection. You have, of course, a skeletonization of the fins. Very important. Like, let's remember, lampreys do not have such structures for their fins, meaning that it's much stronger. You can generate much more force on them, since it's more rigid. So you can generate much more force. The water is going to be more displaced. You're going to reach more speeds. However, you have nothing to protect the torso. So if you are to be beached due to a tempest, due to a storm, let's say that you make landfall. You are beached due to a storm. Gravity is going to be a bitch. Like, your organs are going to be crushed under your own weight. Like, if you are out of the water, you are on your own. Gravity is going to destroy you. Absolutely destroy you. And that's why any movies that have shark going any amount of time out of the water, I mean, of course, like, movies with sharks as monsters are not really accurate, but the sharks would literally die under their own weight. It's not like the dinosaurs would, oh no, they would die under their own weight. Like, no, like a whale. No. This is literally, my organs are being crushed by themselves. They have no support. Gravity is making me into a gelatinous mass. Please help immediately. I am going to die. That is how little support they have. Like, the organs, they have connective tissues, of course. They have connective tissues to help them. But they're about as free floating as your intestines. Every single one of their organs. It's not good. It's not good. It's also very bad when it comes in terms of conservation. You have to because a cartilage can easily be decomposed, and it doesn't exactly like support the it's not mineralized exactly. So it's not going to either stop decomposition, and it's not going to support like the weight of time very, very well, especially underwater. So having fossils, having accurate skeletons of more ancient species, going to be hard. You need to find mineralized structures. Thankfully, they do have one. Contrary to lampreys that have teeth made out of keratin, they do have one. Which are the teeth, the jaw. And also, having no bones also implies that you do not have any bone marrow. And since we are hitting organisms that are pretty, like, let's say pretty complex, pretty big, you will need blood. So how are you going to produce what is going to transport both your nutrients and your oxygen? Yeah, it doesn't fossilize well at all. At all. Also, funny enough, it appeared in the chat. It appeared in the chat better before it appeared in OBS. That's okay. But yeah, no bone marrow. So how do they produce blood? The spleen. The spleen, and sometimes the sharks have a special organ for that. They have another special organ, but they also have the epigonal organs for that. The epigonal organs are organs that are epi, so around, and gonal, so around the gonads, so the sexual organs, that do produce blood. They are able to produce blood. They have an adaptive immune system. I haven't seen where it is produced. Like, I do not know where the white blood cells are produced. Like, I'm very sorry about that. But yeah, it's about the spleen. It's about the spleen. The spleen is for us mostly a reserve of blood and of immunity. It's mostly like a reserve of white blood cells and of blood. Like, it's a sponge full of blood. For sharks, it's the way to produce blood. They will like you end up you see this is a dogfish. This little dogfish has a pretty big spleen. I mean, you see that the uterus is absolutely enormous too, but I think that this was a gravid female. You have a lot of yolk inside. The liver is enormous. The liver is absolutely enormous on sharks. Ask me why, I don't know why. Like, I would really like to have an answer on what is the evolutionary advantage of having such a big liver. Except that I do know that orcas are very fond of shark liver, which seems to be extremely nutritious. And they will usually leave. What they do is they can attack shark, eat the liver, and leave the rest of the carcass everywhere else. They will leave the rest of the carcass. And they do that so much that sharks are instinctively very afraid of orcas. Instinctively. Also, very important, they have a cloaca. they have a cloaca, so the reproduction and the waste management happen with the same hole. They have ovaries. They are very sexual. They like, when I say sexual, it's like they have binary sex. They have a division of sex. They have clear male and female differences. I do not know which is the genetic marker for being a male or female, because you would assume, like, being humans, you would assume like it would be like an X chromosome and a Y chromosome, and that's about it. Oh boy, not the half of it. Like, you go around Bud. Do not put Gura and Chloe in the same aquarium. Do not put them in the same aquarium. Chloe is going to eat Gura. She's going to eat her liver like Hannibal Lecter. Like that. With some fava beans and a nice Chianti. Yeah, let me just shark sexual chromosome. Like, let me see what that could be interesting. Chromosomes. Elasmo branchial sequencing reveal evolutionary. Evolutionary trend is in the vertebrate karyotype organization, so it's from the genome research. You don't need to. Chromosome evolution has long been hindered by the scarcity of chromosome-scale DNA sequences of some taxa. One of them linking taxa have been Elasmobranchius, so sharks and rays, which harbor species of numerous chromosomes and enlarged genomes. Here we report that the chromosome-scale genome assembly of a zebra shark, an enlarged endangered species that are relatively small genome among sharks, so 3.71 gigabase. You have to understand that. I wanted to say that I wanted to do the two cocks beat afterwards with the cloaca. But I'll release the male-female comparison that identify an X chromosome. The first genetically characterized shark sex chromosome. The X chromosome harbor the Hoxie cluster. Yes, intact lineage have been shown in animals from fish. Shorter chromosomes has to have higher GC content, gene densities, and substitution yet. Multi repeats, yes. Small general length, low interspace content. We change the traditional binary classification of karyotypes as with and without so-called microchromosome, even without microchromosome. Okay, so apparently the sexes of shark are very hard to characterize using only the karyotype. Karyotype is the thing that you see with chromosomes when you are able to do the chromosome infestation of the small branch characters, and appeal the unique characteristic and provide clues for understanding how vertebrate karyotypes accommodate intergenomic heterogeneity to raise a complex readout. It paves the way dissecting more genomes with variable length to be sequenced on high quality. Oh boy! And the manuscript. Oh, the manuscript is open on open access. Nice. I would really like to see the manuscript, see if they have. Anything that could be interesting that I could add. Sidon and Yona. I do not know them. Maybe Yona. Maybe I know about Yona. Yona. You mean Yona Moana? Because I do not know. But Mona is a penguin. She's a penguin. Tears of a Kingdom. The shark people! The shark people, yeah! So let me see if I can find the manuscripts. Let me see if I can find the manuscript somewhere around here. Because that's actually pretty interesting. The manuscript has been accepted, and it's actually extremely. Let me see what is the DOI of this one. Yes. Because the manuscript is both open research and it's very recent. It's like 2022, and then accepted on July 2023. So yeah. Yes. Please, come on. Let me see. Maybe if I could simply place it like that. Yes. That's one blank. Blah blah. If I were to place it like that. Yes. Okay. I found it. found it, I think. Did I? Yeah, but I would like to have the full manuscript. I did have like the research one. It's just sex chromosome. Where are the research? Oh, found it. I'm going to share the research. I'm going to share the thing. Huh. So you have variable length of chromosomes here. You have variable length of chromosomes. That's very interesting. Sex determination mechanism has been decreased by an increased number of studies on Ostean vertebrates, so with bones. No reports for vertebrate species outside of Osteans, namely Cetaclone and Cordestian. I mean, Osteostean, so that's bony fish there. Quest for sex determination mechanism had been initiated by identification of sex chromosomes as already improvised in several vertebrate species, some vertebrate karyotype, higher GC content. Generally, when you have a higher GC content, I've said it before, I think, on my previous, on very early parasite classes, higher GC content usually is correlated, do not cause, but is correlated with a higher gene density inside of a sequence. Higher gene density, like I said, and different chromatin states compared to the remaining macrochromosomes. Yes, some sequence-based studies where chromosomes smaller than 20 megabytes as microchromosomes investigated their possible common origin, not been unambiguously defined as cross-species bias. Huh. Oh, this hypothesis needs to be examined. Let me see. The order of magnitude here is pretty cool, but I do not see how it differentiates. I mean, you see that in different species, those microchromosomes can be of very variable length and number. Yeah. Yeah, it can be. Huh. They seem to have a lot of chromosomes. Spanish shark genome sequence to date, zebra shark apparently. This is roughly equivalent to the human genome. The human genome is about 3.5 gigabases. Karyotype of 2n is equal to 102, so 102 chromosomes for that. So they have a lot of microchromosomes there. Using genomic data from blood cells of a female adult, sequenced and assembled with short reads. Okay, short reads. Okay, not exactly the most accurate, but we can work with that. Some sequence were further scaffolded using. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, cool. We're not going to see the methods because karyotype trends in sharks. Let's see. It seems to have been accepted. I do not know about the quality of the paper. Like I said, for a moment, usually we're going to do a bit of a paper quality check. Let me do this intermission. Okay, so when you analyze a paper, as you may already know, first you see you are alerted by the summary, then the results, then you read the conclusion, then you read material and method. Material, well, not rather. Like you read the results, then material and method. If you agree, that sure it could work like that, you then read the discussion and the conclusion. The conclusion is a bit like it's more for the layman. Like you can make your own conclusion using the results of their experiments usually. But you do not read a paper linearly, and for a moment I am forced to read it linearly to make it like more interesting, like not more interesting, but more readable. Interchromosomal GC content compared to other species, chromosome and general as well as shorter chromosomes. With tandem, also horizontal. Yeah, high GC content. It does seem to be more. A bit more, yeah. Just a bit more. But what I would know is about how would you differentiate a female and male? Huh. And you see, it can be very, like, those are computer analysis of very big databases. Like, if you are a data scientist, go to biology. We need you. If you know how to manipulate Rust, we need you in biology. Chromosome homology, dot matrix showing this is the dot matrix right there. And you see the homology. If it were good homologous right there, you would see something like that. Repetitive sequence, chromosome homology, superversity, conservation of one-to-one autolog pairs, method for detail. Tac. Macrochromosome and resemble microchromosome. Shark sex chromosome, so yeah. Male. Okay. Comparison among different chromosomes detected a dramatically lower male to female sequencing depth ratio. It suggests a male has autogametic sex. Okay, so that's cool. We finally have an answer. Like, we have a suggested answer that the heterogametic sex is the males and not the females. Because let me tell you, for chicken, for example, the females are YZ. Yes, they have YZ, and the males are YY, I think. I think they are YY. So, and for bees, that's the same. It depends. For bees, they don't exactly work with the same system. Depends. Once again, it depends. It does depend. But let's go back to our little PowerPoint. If you want to read the paper, it is it is in open access. It is elasmobranch genome sequences reveal evolutionary trends of vertebrates karyotype organization. I recommend a read if you want to see. I'm going to read it after the stream. I'm actually going to read it. It's actually pretty interesting. The males have two. I know! I wanted to tell that! You're spoiling it to everyone! You're spoiling it to everyone! You're spoiling it! It's not cool. It's not cool. I wanted to talk about the claspers. I wanted to talk in length about the claspers, you know? Because they kind of invented sex. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, they have a spiral intestine. Like, you see the intestine right there, the spiral vein intestine. They have a linear intestine, and as you know, an intestine is supposed to maximize the surface to volume ratio, the surface ratio, in order to absorb. In order to absorb a maximum amount of nutrients, and it seems to be a single tube. So what the fuck is happening? What the heck is happening? Spirals! Uzumaki! Basically, their intestine is a whole spiral. It's spiral-shaped. It's growing like an inside of an intestine. It dramatically increases the surface to volume, the surface ratio of the intestines, because of course, like, the food does need to travel through this whole length, which does create like it creates more surface. Like, you have more surface if you were to travel like that than like that. So you have more absorption of the nutrients. That is one of the particular anatomies of the elasma branch. One other thing that is very interesting about them, the jaw. Because you see very interesting anatomical quirks. With them. It's not jointed to the skull. Incertainty spiral jaw. And you see that it's very dependent on the type of stuff that they eat. Be it meat, mollusks. I think this one is for mollusk and this one is for crustaceans. Those are all rays, by the way. All rays. Like, rays have something that is very interesting. Also, what we have found about those, the thing about rays, is that they do, like, the teeth are scales. The teeth are scales. Like, it's not like the scales are teeth, it's rather that their teeth are scales. they are repurposed scales that are mineralized and used in their jaw. Like and rays have very fascinating anatomy for their teeth. Like you see that it is used in order to completely crush their food. They are very big predators. Like they are very efficient predators. Not going to lie, they are very efficient predators. And yeah, they also have this kind of shape, which is absolutely like incredible. You wouldn't think that a living being would have this kind of shape for teeth, but they do. They do, and it's awesome. We only know most prehistoric shark on the show. Yeah, I mean yeah, because like we said before, this doesn't fossilize. Like, and even if it was like from like if you had the perfect conditions, like it doesn't really fossilize well. It's not rigid enough. It's not rigid enough to have an imprint on to have a good imprint on the rocks. Those are basically soft tissues. Like those are rigid, but they are in all purpose involved soft tissues. And we all know that soft tissues don't exactly get a good imprint on the rocks, on the surface of the ocean. Even more than that, you need to conserve soft tissues at the bottom of the ocean, where there's hackfishes there, to digest absolutely everything. Also, the bitey happened without the implication of a skull. And I had to make this live goblin reaction that I'm going to post in my Discord server, like, right now. Yeah, you know what? Why not? Right now, live goblin reaction. Like live goblin reaction. I'm going to post it to Discord servers, and I'm going to I'm going to post it to Discord servers, and then never going to understand exactly what's happening. But now you know that I'm let's go. I'm putting it without any context in all the Discord servers. Okay, that's good. If you've ever seen a megalodon mouth in a museum, yeah, that's one of the only parts of megalodon we'll really know for sure. It was such an affront to nature. I mean, I wanted to talk at the very end about the megalodon situation, but you know what? Since you prompted me, why not? I don't have slides for megalodon because I'm not really interested about the prehistoric being that is. Oh, megalodon! Do we find megalodon in the depth? Oh. Well, first of all, no, because if megalodon did indeed look like a great white shark, we do not know. Once again, we only know about the jaw, so we can only do very basic suppositions about what it would look like. This thing is a surface dweller. Like I said, their organs are not protected by any bones, so the pressure of the water depth would crush them. Second of all, you need to maintain a population. And those things, I don't think that you would miss them. I don't think that you would miss them in the freaking ocean. Third of all, to have a megalodon, you need to have prey that is, adapted. You need to have prey to the size of a predator. You need to have a predator that is able to have, prey. There's no way still alive because they would overheat. Also yes, because they are also warm-blooded. Megalodons are also warm-blooded, so I think we have this confirmation. Like it's been a few years that we had the confirmation that Megalodon was warm-blooded. They would overheat in our oceans, and they would overeat the ocean. I mean, no, since they're warm-blooded, they would not overheat. No, absolutely not. But they would overeat the ocean. And not even overeat, like, they would be constantly in a state of starvation. Like, nothing could be a satiating meal for them. So, you know what happens when species have less food? Yeah, usually they go in a thing that is called dwarfism. So, let me posit that, even if it's completely false. What if hypothetically, the great white shark and all of its cousins are dwarfs Megalodon. What if? You know, like, why would you want a Megalodon to exist? Like, do you want those things to suffer? Like, those animals were majestic, that's for sure. But why would you want a maximum shark to suffer in the ocean? Like, the amount of stress you would put on the poor creature. Like, imagine the amount of meat it would need. It would literally destroy all the whales population. Like, if you had a stable shark population, like a stable Megalodon population, it would eat all of the sharks, all of the whales, and certainly it would eat all of the marine mammals. We're not going to find Megalodon in the Unexplored Depth. No numbers of sci-fi B-movies going to shine that. Yes, that is absolutely that. And that is very true because, like I said, Megalodon is like the least adapted to the depth that I've ever seen a shark. Ever. Like, if it looks like any amount, if it looks like the great white shark in any amount, it's not going to be found in the depth. For multiple reasons. But yeah, we have a live goblin reaction, which will be found in the depth. And the goblin shark, the goblin shark can be pretty big. I think it's 3 meters in length, something of that nature. And it's pretty big. It's pretty cool. And you see that the jaw does move independently compared to the skull, compared to the end of the skull. And you see that you do not exactly need to attach the muscles to the skull in order to have a good bite force. You do not need to attach that to have a good bite force. And yes, this is a great white shark. This is the skull of a great white shark. But yeah, we have a live goblin reaction. I love it. I love goblin sharks. I find them cute. They're super cute. Exception, the chimeras. The chimeras have their jaws fused to their skull, which is an emergent, like it is an emergent character that independently evolved in both the chimeras and the rest of the vertebrates that do have jaws and skull connected. Like it independently evolved. I mean, you can take this meme. It is on my Discord server. And on multiple others that I posted with no context. No context at all. You want a context? None. I felt like it. I just felt like it. But yeah, we're going to talk about teeth now because, well... We're going to talk about teeth because teeth are very important when you want to recognize a shark. Here you have the jaws of a cookie cutter shark. As you can see, the lower jaw is very well developed, and you have multiple rows of teeth right there. You have multiple rows of very efficient teeth right there. That is supposed, like it is hypothesized, to be used in order to lodge itself into a creature, use the lips of the cookie cutter in order to create suction, and then move in order to create the round holes that we see on a lot of sea creatures. The teeth depend on the diet of the fish. The cookie cutter has this diet of meat donuts, discs. You see that teeth tend to regress independently, like you have, I think that is the pilot shark, this is the pilot shark, this is the whale shark, and this is the megamouth shark, and this is the manta ray. Filter feeding evolved independently multiple times within the elasmobranch family. Because as you see, the teeth here for the megamouth still have teeth. The whale shark doesn't really. I think it. And the pilot shark uses its gills in order to filtrate its food, in order to do the filtration of its food. I think that it uses the pugfish. They're all pugging there. They are all pugging there. Like, being a filter feeder is basically you plugging into existence. And that's great. But you tend to see different anatomy of you tend to see different anatomy of teeth depending on the diet of the sharks and rays in question. Like you saw, different rays have different teeth for different objectives. Be it eating mollusks, eating crustaceans, eating fish. Because sharks are mostly carnivorous. I say mostly because we have discovered one omnivorous species of shark. Rays tend to be in that thing too. They are all predators. They eat fish. You can recognize a species of shark thanks to their teeth. And what is cool is that you can discern their diet thanks to what the teeth look like. This is a viper dogfish, or also called a viper shark. This is mollusks. Mollusks, what they tend to hunt in the depth are soft-bodied mollusks. So calamari, octopuses. I will advance myself and say vampire octopuses, vampire squids rather, vampire squids. So very soft. And those act as harpoons. You could put the Corby in hell as suffix. It wouldn't be too out of place. Yes. Yes indeed. Yes indeed, because but this characterizes it better. Because this literally hunt like Kirby. Like literally this shark literally inhales its food. The red pug. For me it's more like a like I think it's more like the actual face. Or yeah, since the YouTube thing is Vine yawn. Then go for the Vine yawn, please. Do I have? Yeah. Yeah, we have or is it the TikTok yawn rather? Yeah, the TikTok snore. Yeah, that was basically that. That was a that was a yeah, it was basically that. And here we have Wobbegong. The Wobbegong. So. Let's finish with a viper dogfish. The viper dogfish has basically the teeth look on the outside in order to grapple, like to harpoon and penetrate the sweet mollusk flesh, the sweet squid flesh, and then basically catching it and then eating it whole. Viperfish are pretty cool. Like viperfish, pretty cool. And yes, they're sharks. Like viperfish. No, viper dogfish. I want a viper dogfish, rather. Viper dogfish, the body. I think that it's able to actually like eat a lot compared to its size. It's ridiculously small. Got the alien mouth? Oh yeah, it does. But you want to? I'm going to talk about like I will talk about moray eels. And moray eels do have that alien mouth. They do have two sets of jaws, which is like holy shit. Like when I learned about that, it was like holy shit. You have the Wobbegong, which is a species of shark, which is an ambush predator. What it does, it inhales the fish. It eats mostly fish, and as you can see, when it hunts fish, you see a lot of spiny teeth made to penetrate the scales and the fish. To harpoon them inside, like you have a very inside direction for the teeth, and basically like, just catch them all. Eukaryota sharks, they do their thing. They're cool. This does not have teeth. The chimeras do not have teeth. They have 6 plates. They have 6 plates connected to the skull that is constantly growing. Like they do not lose the plates. Like sharks can lose teeth a lot. They can lose a lot of teeth. Constantly regenerate them, 1 teeth at a time. Chimeras, they don't have that. They have 6 plates that grow like literally grow like a rodent, and they use it on the crustacean and the mollusks that they eat. They are durophage, I think. And then you have a great white shark that have serrated teeth made to cut into mammal flesh and big fish flesh. And then you have the stingrays that are also durophage, and those are just made to crush their food. You just have maximum capacity to crush the food. So it's just literally a nutcracker. It's a nutcracker shape that you can see right there. Nutcracker shape. To create a maximum amount of pressure. Maximum amount of pressure. Chimeras do be doing the TikTok snore. Oh yeah, they do. But yeah, they have very specialized evolution pattern. And you can see on different species of shark, different ways that they are replaced and what ways they erode. Because we have had a scientific paper about the way the shape is made to prevent as much as possible the erosion of the teeth. And it's very interesting to learn about, given that shark teeth have the same, they are innerved, they have a pulp, they do have dentin, they do have enamel, I think that enamel, they have enamel, that's how you say it in English, enamel. They do have enamel. But they have different layers made to accommodate for different ways to eat. Like you would see the morariform teeth, and then the interior that are the cuspidae, which is for the jaws of this one fish, the Port Jackson shark. So you have the morariform teeth, and you have the other teeth. And it is more, and the jaws of the shark are arranged so that the teeth are in the gut, in the gum, like they are stuck in the gum rather than in the bone, like we have. And what's important is that the teeth do advance in a conveyor belt pattern. And the more they erode, the more they would actually get there. But they have a very precise function zone. Like they use a very precise zone of the teeth. The rest is either unusable or way too new and need to be formed again. And it's formed outside of the jaw, sure, but it's still being formed. Something that is very interesting about the sharks is how they use the sex updates. Sharks and rays. Like when I say sharks, I'm going to be very general. I'm going to say sharks when I imply sharks, rays, chimera. Sex updates. We have ovipar sharks, we have ovovivipar sharks, we have viviparous sharks, and we have a possible amount of parthenogenesis within sharks. They do give, they can have live births. We can have live births with a placenta. We have live births without placenta. We have eggs inside of the uterus, and then they do live births, and then they have complete eggs. And they have egg pouches. It's very cute. The egg pouches have they have very cute patterns. I really love that. But yeah, they use that with the sexual attack. And of course, they have the claspers. They have the claspers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they have the claspers. You see the claspers on sharks. You see claspers on rays. See, here's the cloaca. Here's the. This is the cloaca. This is the cloaca. And you have the claspers. You have the claspers of a male ray, and you have the claspers, like you have the cloaca of a female ray right there, of a female ray, and the chimera have, they have innovated in there. They have innovated because they have claspers, yes, but they also have a guiding organ, which is a tentacula. What are the claspers used for? You might ask. Well, the claspers are used for a very precise thing, which is going to be I wanted to read that, but I am not able to speak Japanese to a good amount. So we're going to say, we are simply going to say it with, we're going to leave a master. We're going to leave the master do it thing. No, that's not the one, that's not the one. Hey, that's the one, that's the one! That's the one! 6! That is exactly what it's used for! It's exactly what it's used for! Ah! We want to see! The Shakusi! Ah! They have 2 penises with claspers! Claspers! I know! I know, Takeshi! I know! Also, the claspers are not exactly penises, per se. They are more like, you know, the gut of... the gutters. They are more like gutters that are used to funnel the sperm. They are used to funnel the sperm inside the cloaca rather than eject it. But still, we do have sex. There is a sexo update. The sexo update has been implemented fully, possibly fully. Like, it's not only the cells now that have the sexo. Now, also the animals. The animals have the joy of sexo. Oh yeah, joining bodies, which will be rewarded by the brain, of course. Another very cool organs that the elasmo branch have. That's why they're called claspers, because Shakushi needs to be held on to. Nice! Very nice! But yeah, we love the Shakushi. Please show more Shakushi. Also, I was going to cite and put the funny numbers of. You know what? I am simply going to recite them. And it will be yours. You will be completely responsible of what you do with what I'm going to recite. So the sauce. Let me see. Where is the sauce? I need to find the sauce. Okay, so the sauce. The sauce is 35, 26, 27, 61. I repeat, 35, 27, 61. That is the sauce. This is your responsibility to use the sauce. You know what? I'm simply going to write the sauce. I'm going to draw the sauce. I'm going to be 31, 27, 61. I'm not going to develop any further. I'm not going to develop this line of thinking any further. But know that the sauce exists. And we thank the sauce. We thank the sauce for what it is. Now, let's talk about something that is very cool. They can sense electrical fields. Like, Elasmo branch can sense they can sense electric fields. Also, magnetic fields. And ampullae of Lorenzini are able to sense temperature changes. On the shark, it's mostly on the face. On the rays, it's all around the body, on the face, but also on the fins. And you see what those are. All those pores, full of some kind of mucus, those are ampullae of Lorenzini. All those pores there, ampullae of Lorenzini. That's how they find their prey. See, if there is a change in the gradient, in the chemical gradient in ion of the water, they're going to sense it. Like, they're going to sense the minute electrical change within the water, within the electrical field, because there's a very, very cool ion layer. Like, they sense the ion layer present within the jelly, which is going to change which is going to then excite the cells within the epithelium. Within the epithelium, that is at the base of that, what is going to go to a nerve, the nerve goes to the brain. My man searched for the sauce. I am not going to develop that any further. Oh no, no shit. There is some good sauce. I'm just going to say that there is some good sauce. Oh yeah. June love. Like I say, disclaimer. The disclaimer was there. You were curious. I mean, some good sauce. Ah yeah, I ate some good sauce. But yeah, those are directly connected to the brain through the canals that you see there, and they give the sharks an indication about the electrical field. Since the magnetic field also give an indication about its electromagnetic radiation. So you have an electric field. The electric field will generate a magnetic field. The magnetic field, if you have a magnetic field, it will generate an electrical field, which will then interact with the ampulla of Lorenzini. So that is going to work. That you are going to be able to interact with the shark using magnetic fields. They can sense magnets. How do they work? If one has reached this point, they no longer have a right to complain because they know what they're saying up for. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Like, I am not a person of the sauce. Like, I am not exactly a person of the sauce, but I can appreciate good sauce. What else am I going to say? Yes, and because because the jelly is activated using ions, so a temperature, so the reactivity is biological. It is more reactive within like hot temperatures. Hot temperatures activate it easier than cold temperatures because of the reactivity of the jelly and the ion layer and the epithelial cells. Also, I'm going to say very clearly that shark evolution is weird. It is very weird. Because this is an angel shark. It's a shark. No dorsal fin. I mean, no, the dorsal fin is right there. And you see, this is a bottom of guitar fish, but you see a dorsal fin. You have another like a dorsal fin. You have a dorsal fin. You have another like another fin right there, and you have a caudal fin. This is a ray. Like the bow mouth guitar fish. This is a guitar fish, and those were guitar fish too. This is a guitar fish too. Those were rays. Those are rays. This is a shark. This is a ray. However, you have a sawfish and you have a saw shark. This is a ray. This is a shark. Can get really confusing. Like there's a lot of convergent evolution when it comes to the cartilaginous fish family. There's a lot of convergent evolution. How do you recognize them? I do a thing between saw shark and sawfish, and well, according to a Shark Research Institute, well, sawfish, like all rays, they have the gills present on the the gills. Where do I have a good mouth? Why do I have a good mouth? There. You see the gills? The gills are present there. They are there. They are present on the when I was on narcotic that days. Pretty much. But you have the gills that are present on the pectoral layer. They are present on the underside of a fish. When it's a shark, as you see, there's gills there. The gills are on the side. Both have electrolocation. Of course, we talked about them. They have both of them have ampulla of Lorenzini. Both use the snout in order to cut down their prey. They do use the snout to cut down, impale, or push down on their prey to interact with the world. And there's modified teeth on there in order to be really sharp weapons. So fish usually prefer less deep water. You would see so sharks within deeper waters. Another thing that is going to fuck you up is that sawfish are way bigger than saw sharks. Like sawfish can go up to a length of around 6 meters. Saw sharks will usually stop their growth at around 1.5 meters. If you're American, I put American units there. So roughly equivalent of that. Like you have a rough equivalent of 20 feet versus 5 feet. Sawfish can be enormous. Sawfishes can be absolutely enormous. And then you have saw sharks. The Japanese saw shark is kinda cute too. The Japanese one is kinda cute. Now we're going to enter the most biased part that this program has ever been. The most biased. Because I'm going to talk about why rays are better than sharks. In my very subjective segment. Why are they better than shark, in my opinion? Well, because manta rays are very big brained. Like manta rays, it is very well known that manta rays are extremely intelligent. For a fish, they have the biggest brain. And you would say, okay, they have a big brain, maybe they have very good senses compared to any other sharks. I mean, yeah, they cannot do. Like, they cannot do. But, like, you see, the brain is extremely big and it's also extremely complex. Like, you have multiple divisions of what your brain does and what it does. And we have discovered within these last few years that the manta ray passed the fucking mirror test. Like I need better music for that. Like I need like I'm going to temporarily change the music, or rather I'm going to add the music. Like even if it gets demonetized, rather will I go for the Giga Chad one? Yeah, let's go with that. Like they fucking pass the mirror test. Like imagine for fish how intelligent you need to be. For example, elephants barely pass it. Dogs do not pass it. Cats, I cannot pass it. It depends. Like it depends on the intelligence of the cats. Parrots and apes. For a moment, it was like the hallmarks of parrot, apes, and dolphins / whales. But then you have this fucking fish that comes, that independently, like it evolved intelligence independently. We don't know what it used the intelligence for, but we know that it's extremely intelligent. And it passes the fucking mirror test. It is self-aware. Like the manta ray know that it's a freaking manta ray. And we have proof. We have freaking proof. We have video proof of that. Like look at that. Like the mirror is somewhere around here. The mirror is somewhere around here. You're not going to see the mirror there. Like it is doing some very, very weird patterns. And the patterns are there because obviously you see the mirror is right there. It is doing some weird patterns because it's inspecting itself. It is inspecting itself. Like that is how OP manta rays are. Like that is how OP the brain of a manta ray is. Like they have very big brains. They are gigashads. They have a gigashad of the ocean. They know they don't need it. Like why would they need it? They are literally like they are predators. Maybe they do their thing, you know. But no, they don't care. They are that intelligent. So let's go back. Let's go back with that. They are just that intelligent. They unlocked the big funk. And now we need to think about what else is intelligent. Like we had this thing, we had this very big discriminatory thing about species, and we said, okay, this one looks like us, of course it's going to pass the mirror test. Of course it's going to be self-aware. You have birds, okay, this bird can talk. Of course it's going to pass the mirror test. It's intelligent enough to talk. In some capacities. Some parrots can do it. Like crows do it. I think that some parrots are not able to do the mirror test. But yeah, Splatoon is entirely possible. Think about it. Like Splatoon is possible. Think about all the organisms that will be able to recognize themselves. But more than that, since they are able to recognize themselves, their brain is able to recognize themselves from other individuals of their own species. Which kind of works, since they do work in pods, like the manta rays do work in pods. I don't think I do not know if it's family units, but I do think that it's family units. Like, correct me on that one. Like, I do think that it's family units, with a big ray at the very top. But that also means that what else in the ocean is that intelligent? Like, we know about the intelligence of octopuses, octopuses, because it's an English word, because it integrates both Latin and Greek. But they're able of a big funk. And more we see proof of we are able to accept proof of supreme intelligence and self-awareness in fish. So yeah, we're not unique on this earth. Like, you do not need to be land-dwelling and have such a brain that is organized exactly how you want to get results. Also, another example of why rays are superior to sharks, and please send it to Sharknet. Electric rays. Electric rays are able to they're literally, like, this is the anatomy. This is the anatomy of what is it called? Of a, we call it a pile in French. Like pile electric in English. What is it? What would it call? Ah, this is the anatomy of a battery, of an electric battery. They have two electric organs on their fins that are connected. They have cells that create basically a gradient of ions that will then be released as potential energy within the water to create a massive discharge of electricity. They have a non-stimulated state and they have a stimulated state with the organ capacity. This electric capacity is insane, because it can reach 220 volts for 1340 amps. That is capable of killing a man. That is capable of killing a whole human being in salt water. Think about that. A discharge of 220 volts and 30 amps in salt water. That is asking for trouble, and that is mostly appreciated with torpedo rays. Torpedo rays, they do that. They do that to stun their prey, to stun predators, to kill prey and predators too. They are like vicious fish. I was also about to talk about the stingrays, the venomous stingrays, but after that I remembered about Stever wings, and no, it made me sad. It made me sad, so I didn't want to include them into this Hall of Fame of why rays are better than sharks. Because they are basically sharks, but better, in my opinion. And if you want to ray that it looks like a shark, well, you have a guitar, you have guitar fish. It's cool. You have a guitar fish. Guitar fish, they're cool. They do a thing. And that's it. That's all that I have prepared. Unfortunately, that's all that I have prepared. I hope that it was educational. Look, she was fell off. I bet it was both educational and inspiring for doing your research on Elseworld branches. Because it was kind of cool. It was really cool. And see you in the next Splatfest too. Yeah, if you have any questions, we can answer that. We can answer that. If you have any questions about preceding episodes or this episode, that can be a question time. That can be a question time. I mean, as you've seen, like I said, I do not pretend to be an expert. Like the knowledge that I've imparted is very basal, but there's a lot to learn about these creatures. There's a lot to learn about these magnificent creatures. Also, my obvious favoritism for rays. My obvious favoritism for rays. You was Team Skeleton? I tried to get my girl. You're trying to get your girl Frey her long overdue win. Aww. Aww. I mean, she's Brazilian. It's just, I mean, she doesn't really have a skeleton, does she? Because she's an inkling. I mean, she's an inkling, so she wouldn't have a skeleton. I have a favoritism for Big Man. I mean, Big Man is cool. Big Man is cool, come on. It's kind of cool. But yeah, I think that it's going to be it. I am no. Like I said, I am absolutely knackered. I am knackered because even though like even though it only lasted like an hour and a half, even though it lasted only 1 hour and a half or even less than that, it's a lot of research, for not a lot of results. I mean, yeah, Big Man is a fanboy. I like Big Man. We like the Big Man. Also, I need to rest because tomorrow I'm going to do the biggest mistake of my life. I mean, I'm a Vtuber life, and try to complete 4 games. Oh boy, completing 4 games. That is going to be a mistake. I am going to regret that. Because I'm going to complete Dead Space 1, Dead Space 2, Dead Space 3, and Dead Space Reboot. I mean remake. Because at first I said to myself, no, I don't want to stream Dead Space 3. But you know what? Dead Space 3. Dead Space 3 will be included. And it will not be a good time. You should stick Big Man meme. Big Man. Okay, why not? Why not? Let me see. He will never be marketable. He will never be marketable. Let's go for that. Let's go for that. Also, there's another one that I wanted to see. That's horizontally spinning Big Man. It's a horizontally spinning Big Man because come on, it's cool. It's kind of cool. It is kind of cool. Yeah, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cute. That's kind of cute too. Let's go. But yeah. Tomorrow it's Dead Space on Twitch because YouTube does not. Was not spinning beam. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Unfortunately, I'm not in the liberty of using Freebird in any capacity because that's fucking Freebird. Like I don't have the capacity to have Freebird, you know. Okay, for 10 minutes. No, I just want a horizontal spinning big man. Can we have that? Can we just have that? Okay, why not? Why not? Okay. Why not? Okay. So. Any questions regarding the lesson and or not the lesson for anyone listening? Studio mode and the screen. Yes. Spinning to be spinning. Yes, indeed, it's going to be that. Yes, it's going to be yes. Well, if there's no more questions, I think that we're going to end it here. Tomorrow on Twitch will be my death-a-thon, which, like I said, is all the Dead Space. All of them. We're going to do all of them. And, boy. I don't know where I will begin. I do not know where it will end, when it will end. But the show is going to be long. Like, I'm sure that I can do Dead Space in, like, 5 hours. Dead Space 2, 4 hours. Dead Space 3, I have no idea. And Dead Space Remake either, because Dead Space Remake has some skip that I do for the first Dead Space that I'm not able to do. I'm also going to try to challenge myself. So let's see. We'll see. See you tomorrow. It was a pleasure to see you. If you have any more questions, I will see them in the comment section. Please put them there. I was Guregan, the Parasite Vtuber. I am not the girl, I am the worm inside of a brain, and I will see you very, very